Very soon my new book, Law in Personality Making, will be available in the market. I made an effort to reflect and depict a message by way of this book, that how a common man representing the most oppressed section of the society becomes a powerhouse once he becomes legally educated. By way of legal transformation, by way of a strong legal educating message which I want to give through my characters of this book, I've tried my level best to give a strong message to the public at large that law is a very powerful thing. It cannot be taken for granted. And various organs of the Constitution, various pillars of the Constitution, which have over a period of time, instead of working for the welfare and for the positive implementation and enforcement of the constitutional fundamental principles of law, they have actually converted it into such a thing by which they have started oppressing and exploiting the common man of the country who is living at the last ladder of this nation. The fundamental principle of the Constitution was to uplift them, to have a bridge between the Constitution's various pillars and the common man. Instead, what has had happened is in the last couple of years and since independence, that these pillars have started exploiting, oppressing the common man. They have brought to book to various persons falsely. The people have been implicated. A common man cries, he weeps. And when I came to know, I've tried to take care of the experiences I have been getting because of my legal profession. And when I came across about all these things, I met with my publisher, Dr. Birbal Jha. And we were sitting in a very informal chit chat, and then suddenly when I shared my anxiety and my pain, that how a common man remains a common man, because in the name of law, he is losing his hope in the system, in the law, in the judiciary. Dr. Birbal Jha immediately got hold of this subject, of this anxiety of mine. And he immediately said, Mr. Tekriwal, why don't you write a book on this topic, that how the legal education, if we make an attempt to impart the legal education, which is go to the masses, to the youth, to the educating section of the people, even those section of the people which are not so much educated today. If this book is going to be a legal education, the manner in which it is going to get written, I am sure that a common man can get culminated and get turned. So far as his personality transformation is concerned, he will become a powerhouse. And the real principles of the Constitution is only going to get realized when a common man becomes a powerhouse and law helps him instead of becoming an impediment for him. And this is what Dr. Birbal Jha conveyed me. And I extend all my gratitude to him that he immediately wanted to publish this book. He immediately showed his willingness to publish this book, and he immediately wanted me to write this book on this particular subject, so that a service to the Constitution, a service to the legal fraternity, a service to the common man, and at large a service to the nation can be done by giving this kind of message, by writing a book. And therefore, thereafter I undertook this work of writing a book, and this book is very, very soon going to come before the public, and I would be requesting you all to have a look, have a reading on this book and of this book, and have a comment on this book. Thank you very much.